Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Yayang Septia Melia. I am English Department 2023 from Universitas PGRI Jombang. Today, I'm going to present article review. The title is Webtoon Comic Media to Improve Reading Comprehensions for Students with Hearing Impairment in Special Primary Schools by Anggraini Dwi Hartati, Rina Marianti, Nisa Nur Aziza, Dwi Fitri Al-Husaini, Vera Wulandari, Asep Rudi Irawan, published 1 March 2023. We will discuss 5 posters, namely introduction, method, findings, discussion, and then conclusion. The first is introduction. The article discusses the persistent problem of low reading comprehension among students with hearing impairment in special primary schools. Hearing impairment ranging from mild to profound loss significantly impacts children's ability to understand language, especially abstract vocabulary. Learning media, particularly visual media such as comics, have been proven to help children understand information more easily because image can translate abstract ideas into concrete representations. Previous studies show that comic media improve reading comprehension for deaf students and for general elementary learners. However, there has been no research specifically exploring the use of webtoon comic media, a digital comic format with vertically sequenced panels, to improve reading comprehension for students with hearing impairment in special primary schools. The study employed an experimental method with a one-group pretest, post-test design. Data were collected using Google Form tests, each containing 10 multiple-choice questions. Next, the second is methods. The research was conducted at Cinta Asih Special Primary School in Bandung, Indonesia, which serves students with various special needs. The design is out of 8 students with hearing impairment. The researchers selected 5 students in grades 4 to 6 based on teacher interviews. These 5 students, 3 boys and 2 girls, were identified as having low reading comprehension skills. Some of them could only read syllables rather than full sentences. And next is data collection. The research procedure includes setting up a Google Meet session to guide students online, explaining how to complete the pretest using sign language, presenting the webtoon comic through screen sharing and guiding students to read it, administering the post-test through Google Form, comparing pretest and post-test result, and calculating the N-gain score to evaluate the effectiveness of the intervention. Okay, next, the findings. The findings show that all 5 students significantly improved their reading comprehension after using webtoon comics. Improvements were especially evident in implicit and reasoning questions, such as identifying the story message and sequencing events, where correct answer increased from 2 students in the pretest to all students in the post-test. Overall score increased for all students, and classroom observations indicate higher engagement as the visual and sequential nature of webtoon comics help students better understand characters, settings, events, and emotions. Several possible explanations for the improvement include visual scaffolding, motivation and engagement, in simplified interpretation, consistency with students' learning strengths. The improvements seen especially in questions requiring understanding beyond surface level information, such as that webtoons help students build deeper comprehensions, not only recognizing explicit details but also making simple inferences. The results are consistent with earlier studies by Fajrin 2014 and Untari and Saputra 2016, which found that comic media increase reading comprehension for both deaf and hearing students. However, this study adds new value by demonstrating the effectiveness of digital webtoon comics, which are more modern, accessible, and visually engaging. In a conclusion, the study concludes that webtoon comic media effectively improve the reading comprehension abilities of students with hearing impairment in special primary schools. Students show substantial improvement in their test score. Support by a high and change score across the sample webtoons helps students understand story sequence, identify key information, and construct meaning through strong visual support. Therefore, webtoon comics can be recommended as an effective learning medium for literary instruction, especially for students who depend heavily on visual learning channels. Thank you for your listening. Bye.